While millions chase the next big score, buying into viral social media trends, scratching lottery tickets, or day trading the hottest meme stocks, the actual mechanics of building wealth are often remarkably quiet. The rich operate on a disciplined set of rules that prioritize long-term stability over short-term noise. This approach allows families to steadily expand their net worth, even during severe market crashes and periods of deep economic uncertainty. To build this kind of financial resilience, you have to replace default money habits with a strategy that often feels counterintuitive. For almost everyone, the financial journey starts in exactly the same place: the arrival of a paycheck. What happens in the next 10 seconds determines everything. This diagram shows the standard path. The paycheck immediately drains outward to cover monthly bills and luxuries. If anything trickles down, they try to invest it. The wealthy invert this sequence. Before unnecessary purchases, capital routes into investments, forcing lifestyle to adapt to the overflow. By prioritizing that initial allocation, they guarantee that their capital gets to work immediately, locking in the math of compound returns month after month, year after year. This requires ignoring the pressure to look affluent today in exchange for a higher net worth tomorrow. Controlling where the very first dollars flow is the foundational mechanic of wealth generation. It creates a predictable system that works much better than trying to scrape together savings at the end of the month. In the modern workforce, the basic economic exchange is simple. You trade your physical time for a wage. Relying solely on that active paycheck leaves you vulnerable. If you stop working, the money stops flowing, which means you are always running on a treadmill just to survive. To step off that treadmill, capital must be converted into income-generating assets. These are things that either grow in value over time or produce steady cash flow without requiring your physical labor. This matrix outlines the primary vehicles used to accomplish this: stocks, real estate properties, bonds, and intellectual property. The wealthy consistently funnel their capital into these four distinct quadrants. The goal is complete detachment. You're building multiple, overlapping streams of revenue that continue to operate, scale, and generate cash while you sleep. True financial security comes from owning the mechanisms of production, the systems that actually generate paychecks for the rest of the market. Of course, acquiring these assets means navigating the unpredictable and often very choppy waters of the global economy. When headlines turn negative, many investors panic. They concentrate their risk in single hyped-up trends, hoping to double their money overnight, and pull their capital out at the first sign of trouble. Experienced investors operate on a different timeline. They measure their market horizons in decades, not weeks, allowing them to ignore the daily noise. This graph illustrates why patience pays off. The jagged, flatlining track represents the results of jumping in and out to perfectly time the market. The steady, exponential curve shows the mathematical advantage of simply staying invested for the long haul. To survive decades of holding, they engineer their portfolios using asset diversification. By spreading capital across entirely different categories of assets, they isolate risk. If a sector struggles or an investment fails, the overall structure remains intact, supported by assets that are performing well. Successful investing involves two primary tasks: capturing long-term growth and mathematically engineering protection against absolute ruin. The entire wealth-building strategy relies on a foundation of continuous financial literacy. The most successful investors constantly feed themselves new data. They analyze business fundamentals, track macroeconomic trends, and read extensively. The quality of the information you consume directly dictates the profitability of the financial decisions you make. Knowledge serves as your highest yield asset. Building wealth is a mechanical system of discipline and patience. This process is reproducible, moving the focus away from luck or exclusive access. This system scales perfectly. The discipline required to manage $100 is the same discipline required to manage $1 million. You can begin thinking like this immediately. So if you had $10,000 to allocate using this playbook today, where would you put it? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to hit subscribe for more insights into how capital really works.